Hey Homa Pangyam, good morning. It is Monday today and it is our public holiday, and I am heading now to see my friend. Wait, I think we're gonna meet somehow in the station, and because we have like breakfast for our anniversary. Hold on, let me grab some. So anyway, Johnson. So we have choir practice today. So it's gonna be a long day, I guess. So I brought my coffee maker. No, I brought my coffee thing in me. So yeah, I just got up from our building, and that's our building, not my literally my building now, but yeah. So it's hot, even it's still early in the morning. I can feel the heat. So this is my neighborhood. It's quite clean and quiet and peaceful, I must say. So I must say I'm going to miss Hong Kong when I leave this place. Yeah, because it is a very nice city and lots of adventure you can make, but somehow we're gonna reach our point that sometimes we have to say goodbye to people or to place, right? So yeah, planning to move soon, but not that soon. It's just only a plan. I think I still have some quite years that I need to stay here. Not that I don't like Hong Kong, to be honest. I do like Hong Kong. I think it's a great city, but I have, I've been dreaming to explore the world. So yeah, no. Hopefully. So I'm not gonna tell yet where I'm gonna move next, but I think it's probably somewhere in Europe. So what I'm doing is I am just enjoying my life. I am enjoying my stay. I am enjoying people around. I am enjoying the place and the nature while I'm still here, because we can make very good memories in the place. That's why I'm taking vlog, because I want to see someday that I have a memory for this place, or for the place that I am still gonna visit. So yep. So I'm going to the MTR station, because I am meeting with my sisters at the girlie from the church, because she's been very gracious. She's been very how do you say that? She's been very thoughtful to us. She called me earlier today, and she said she made something food for us to broth in our breakfast today. And the place is very far away, like it's like an hour and a half, like train travel. So yeah, that's why we have to bring snacks or whatever with us. But anyway, we can also buy food from that area when we come there, but it's just like, you know, homemade food or thing is like very nice to bring. So okay. Okay. Hello, good morning. Saan kayo today?
Sa tabing dagat, magja-jogging daw.
Sana all. Hindi, nakita ko si Ate Chona.
Asan na siya?
Sabi niya, ewan ko, may dala-dala siyang card. Sabi niya magja-jogging daw siya, tapos sa dagat daw.
O yun nga.
So sabi ko, mamaya pag maaga kaming lalabas, kasi baka maaga rin kaming uwi, mga siguro 3.
Nandun lang na.
Sabi ko, oo, pupuntahan ko namin kayo. So parang mag-jogging na kayo, sana all talaga.
Okay lang yan.
I'm heading now. So I just got the package, the parcel. Tada! I think it's I don't know, it's like a mango float or something. It's like yellow color. I don't know. So yeah, I think it's dessert. So I'm heading now. I am ready in the train station. I'm not gonna wait for Lay because I think she's gonna be here for like 9 past, so I don't have the patience for her to to wait. So yeah, I think we will meet each other back in that place na lang. So yeah, the train has arrived, so I'm going in now. And hi! Ba't pumunta ka pa? Kasali yata dito ka girl yata yan. Jonna, alam mo ba sa ito nilabahan ko? Kasi mamaya, hindi ko alam. Wala lang. Hindi ako pwede mag-clencha pag ganun araw. Hindi yung amo ko. Tapos isa lang yung papalansya ko. Hindi pwede. Ay, paano ko magpapalansya?
Please stand back from the train doors.
Tapos, ano, di ba? Hindi, nag-annual kasi, nag-annual. Employer niya mga madaming puta. Kasi bakit niya ba?
Hi guys, we are 4 station away before we arrive our final destination. It's John.
Sabi ba, ulo ko pala nakapupo.
Oo, tanggalin mo ang stress.
Mata ko pala.
Hey guys, so we are here now. We are going off now in the train. We just arrived our destination, and now we are going to wait for Sister Ruby somewhere in this exit. So, yeah. Let's go. Okay. Oh, ano? Dito tayo. Kaya anong exit? Kaya saan tayo? Exit C. Exit C. Dito sa baba exit C? Sa escalator tayo. Natuyo na. Pagkatapos kong ubuhin. Nakakaubo pala, no? Kapag nagsuot ka ng basa.
Ang hirap wala akong mata, hindi ako makagano.
Bakit wala kang ano? Nakalimutan mo? Suotin mo na lang mamaya. Mas bagay sa'yo may salamin. Mukha kang Chinese. Pag wala kang salamin, mukha kang Chinese. Sino? I have to fix my... Mura ba yung cake nila? Ang sarap naman ang cake nila.
Ay, ang ganda.
Hindi, mga ano lang yan. Bakit sila nakaganon? Nakaban.
Oo,
Dito pa tayo bumili ng bread noon. Ay, oo, dito yata yun.
Yun yung masarap na bread.
Saan?
May naramdaman natin.
May bread na kasi ako dito.
Ay, ano pa ang bread?
Slice bread.
Masarap. Ito yung masarap sis. Ito. Yung may cheese sa loob niya na may bacon.
26 pieces.
Oo, 5. 5 piraso. May bread ka na.
Meron na.
Kumain lang tayo.
有方那个某某行为现在长真理。
Hmm?
Doon tayo na, dito na, doon tayo.
Ah, sige.
Ay, no.
Ah, okay, sige. Doon na lang tayo sa labas. Kasi nasa MTR pa daw si Ruby.
Ha? Dito muna tayo. Mainit.
Ah, mainit ba doon?
Wala na aircon.
Saan tayo ba? Alam mo papunta natin?
Yung mga kumakain ka.
Ah.
Baka magpahintay si ano.
Hi guys! So we just have our lunch break. And we're going to have our lunch inside of the church. Pasok mo sa tayo yung dalawa, hindi dapat sa taas yung nakaupo para sa baba.